Are you on video?
Now I am.
Oh, jeez. He never gets in the pictures. You have a picture.
Hey, they're always looking for good stuff on YouTube.
You didn't actually get the side.
Try the two, or do you want to do all of them?
I think two would be enough.
Think so?
Oh yeah.
You just want to see if it fires and does anything. So
Well, I'd like to get it to run.
well, if it fires, then you know you can keep on going and get it to run. Let's see, choke goes which way.
Yeah. So is the spark on?
Probably down.
Choke would be up, right?
Well, if
I would think that would be open.
This choke.
Yeah.
So now where do you turn the switch to get?
Push it and then you want to kill it, you push it in.
Okay.
We're going to try to start with it. Yeah, let's see what we can do here.
Likes that crank.
Wait, I hear you spark. There it goes. Let's see, start.
No. Should I pull the battery out of my car? That's the only thing left.
Yeah, just put a 12 volt in it right away.
When I bought that engine off the stand, I had a 12 in series. Oh yeah? Oh my. Just, well, the starter.
Spark there?
Spark there.
That's the tester.
I forgot the gear wires.
It's like the cattle fence.
They got welded into a full
But they started pissing on it.
We have real proof that we got spark.
Yeah. In cylinder number 2.
Right?
Okay, wow.
I just can't believe it. Why does
You must have shorted that spark out now by touching it.
They have that much.
Why is that thing quiet? Need a fan guard on that thing.
She sounds pretty good.
It's running.
Stinks.
Just keep those wires on there like that.